right, check it out, YouTube. I'm tapping in early today, guys, to close out another phenomenal week on this side. But listen, class will be in session today, but this time I'm going to give the instruction and we're going to switch it up. And you guys let me know if you like this teaching style, okay? I'm going to give you the instructions because in an effort to teach you how to fish, there's certain things you need to know what to fish for, okay? Do me a favor before we dive into it. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you help this video get at least 1,000 likes. Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. All right, listen, guys, today's lesson is going to come from Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. Do me a favor. Remember, I often say the money is in the charts, okay? I want to teach you this. Everybody pull up a Apple chart, but go to the 4-hour time frame. Pull up an Apple chart, ticker symbol AAPL, and then go to the 4-hour time frame for me, okay? If you then add the indicators on your chart, the 13, the 48, or if nothing else, the 200-day moving average, the 200 EMA, exponential moving average, you are going to see that Apple is not only in a downward trend. After earnings, it's been selling off, okay? It's been range bound. So they have it pinned between like 180, 181, 182, if it could even get there, to 176, okay? Now go look on your 4-hour chart at the 200 EMA. E as in excellent, M as in Michael, A as in association, okay? EMA, exponential moving average, all right? And you're going to see that Apple has support at 176.04, okay? So that's the ultimate level to the downside. Now remember, stocks go both up and down, okay? To the downside, Apple is trying to go visit the 176.04 level. That is a level of support. Now check this out, guys, because I want to teach you guys how to make a killing, how to make 20,000, how to make 10,000, how to consistently make $1,000 in a day off of knowing the right information, okay? Check this out. Just because you hit support doesn't mean you can't go a tad bit lower. So if Apple, for example, is at 176.04 fire support on the 4-hour chart. Now you will see different levels on different time frames. That's why you must toggle through, okay? But this lesson is for the 4-hour chart, okay? That doesn't mean it can't go to 175.90, 175.50, 175.30, okay? Because you also need to be mindful of not only support, but where the gap may be at, where a gap fill opportunity may be at, okay? Now look, I'm doing it, but I'm not showing it to you guys because this is your homework assignment. Apple has a gap at 175.38. So 176.04 is support, but a gap fill opportunity, if we take that trip next week, will be 175.38, all right? So this is just a lesson that I want to put on you guys, all right? Now check this out. The money is in the chart. So if you can learn this, you will then begin to learn both ends of a range and how to play a stock that is range bound. All right. We've been going up for 7 straight months. Right now, guys, is the time to pull back. So this is where I'm going to be hitting you guys with more put plays because it's, one, easier money for you all to learn how to make. Number two, if the stocks are in a downward trend, you might as well go with the trend, all right? With that being said, I want everybody to take a look at Exxon. I've been telling you and I've been showing you guys that I have been watching for the rotation out of tech, but into where they may go next. And that, guys, has been healthcare, and that, guys, has been oil and energy, okay? Now, Exxon, let's take a look at Exxon, okay? Exxon today is up 1.38%. Currently, at the time of this recording, sitting at $111.64. Okay. Now, we've been talking about this under 105, and I've been constantly telling you, not only is it a great company, not only do they have free cash flow, not only do they have a great dividend, but this is a great company to diversify your portfolio with. All right. And I've been calling this out. Top 3 stocks to watch. Top stocks is going to pop in August. Every video has been given little insights and nuggets for you guys to be properly positioned into what stocks will pop. Okay. You got to know when we're in tech. You got to know when that's going to ride, and you got to know when they need to cool off. While they're cooling off, you need to know where they're transitioning to and what's taking off next, okay? And so for us, because I don't jump all around, I don't chase every stock. For us, that play is the energy sector, which is Exxon, okay? And so not that you can't go with Chevron, not that you can't go with Oxy, not that you can't go with a plethora of other ones, because they'll do good too. But I have consistently talked and covered Exxon since we got in at $37. This is plays a crazy double up, okay? And so I want to kind of stay consistent with the messaging and consistent with the teachings, okay? So with that being said, I want you guys to pay attention to Exxon and then look at SQQQ for me, guys, okay? This particular play, this hedge, it is trying to make its way to $20. But $20 is where its resistance is at. Now, this is already a stock that moves like a turtle. It doesn't go up like a rocket ship unless it gets a gap up, okay? However, it has been slowly grinding up, pulling back, grinding up, pulling back, grinding up, which if you have this in your portfolio, you can clearly see when this is up, your other stocks will be down. So now you can make plays off of that alone. When this starts to go down, you know your other stocks are going to start going up. That's a ding, ding, ding. That's a call option for you. Again, guys, simplify the game with these little nuggets and these little strategies, okay? With that being said, though, SQQQ will try to make a run for around $20. Not that it can't go higher, but $20 is the level of support or resistance on that particular play, okay? It's been down in the dumps, down at 16, down at 17, and now that tech has finally sold off, this is beginning to wake up, okay? And with it waking up, you need to know where it's headed, okay? Now listen, don't overstay your welcome, because at $20, now the tech sector has the momentum, the space it needs for a new run up. This is just a pullback on our end, guys. We not doing nothing but just chilling. We've been making the money this week, just understanding the trend, buying cars, getting in and out, but more mainly buying puts to make money on the downside, okay? However, when this pullback, which is healthy, ends, now tech has a much more bigger runway to the upside, okay? However, when you are at all-time highs, there isn't much room for you to go higher. So you need to pull back so you can build more momentum to go higher, okay? So that's what we'll be looking out for in the near future. But listen to this, September is naturally a down month in the stock market, okay? And so if September is a down month and they already started the process in August, you need to be mindful, okay? We may trend down or trade sideways from now throughout September. That should be more than enough time for us to make a huge run for the month of October, November, and December, okay? Again, just giving you a framework to work with, to think from, to begin to do your research and your studies on, okay, guys? We got another successful weekend of books, but over the course of the weekend, we should be learning and we should be sharpening our tools, okay? So that come Monday, we're coming out the gate and we're making $1,000. We're making $100 on the low end, $1,000 on the high end, okay? And that's what I want you guys to be on the lookout for. But it starts with putting in the work, okay? It starts with putting in the work, and that's what we're going to do around here. So I just want to jump on here today to kind of put this on you guys. I wanted to tell you what to look for so I can teach you how to fish, okay? Study the 4-hour chart on Apple. Identify where support is at. Understand you can breach it a tad bit, and think about where we're going if we go down further, or anticipate a bounce or a trade sideways until we're ready to go back to the upside, okay? Not that you can't go down farther, so don't ever rule that out, but that's why I say we don't guess, We don't gamble, we react around here, okay? And that is why we do that. But you guys first must learn and must master your levels so that you know what to actually look for on your journey, okay? Listen, guys, I hope today's video was helpful. I just wanted to tap in on a Friday, do it and switch it up just a tad bit different, and hopefully talking you guys through it helps you begin to visualize it so that then when I show it to you, you can kind of see and make it all come together, okay? With that being said, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.